Hi, Stu. You know, the restaurant, Joe's Crab Shack at the pier, it's open, no problem at all. Matter of fact, the entire West End is in good shape. But structural engineers determined the far east portion of the pier, which is where people fish, definitely has some problems. Examining the bridge this morning, an engineer discovered damage to some of the pier's cross bracings. The impact from the pounding waves for hours, no doubt to blame. And there's some loose decking on the pier as well. So the easternmost side is closed until further notice.
We want people to exercise caution. If you're not an experienced swimmer, you should not be out there.
Meanwhile, Beach Safety has changed its warning flag from double red to red. The ocean is open to swimmers, but they warn the ocean floor is riddled with rip currents.
If you're going to be in the water and bathing, you need to stay where you can firmly touch bottom at all times, and obviously you want to swim in front of a lifeguard.
For us, it's a playground, you know.
Despite any kind of red flag, surfers would be out there anyway. They are down with what Dorian kicked up.
It's definitely one of the best days of the year, for sure.
So you got to come out. You got to do it.
It's the best day of my life, yeah. Kidding me?
It's not real, though.
The day after Dorian is decent for treasure hunters, too. We saw several combing the beach looking for anything of value the sea might spit up. So far,
We found a couple silver dimes, 2 rings, the 1 bracelet. It's still early, but the tide's coming in now, so we'll wait for the low tide. It's always the best to hunt.
you got to like the hunt, right? Now, our city pier, by the way, 737 feet long. A portion of it went down during Hurricane Floyd back in 1999, about 40 feet, as I recall. Luckily, Dorian did not take more of this pier, but as we learned from those engineers, there are a few structural issues to address, so the fishing end, that eastern end, will be closed until further notice. We're live in Daytona Beach, Volusia County. Claire Metz, WESH 2 News.